guys, check out this electric rebar cutter I have here from Anbul. Comes in a nice hard case here. All right, here's everything that came in the box. In the bag was some Allen wrenches, then a 17 and 14 millimeter wrench, and also the instruction manual. Before you use it, you want to go ahead and check your hydraulic oil in here. All right, got plenty of hydraulic fluid in there. You can see it in there. Check this every time you use it. All right, I got it plugged in. That's where we'll put our rebar, is right there. Let me take this here. Can adjust this as necessary. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it back down. All right, I got my rebar here. I'll go ahead and see how it does. There's the cut that it makes. Nice cut. Yeah, if you had to do a whole bunch of rebar, this is the tool to get. You can rapidly cut this stuff to length. There's the pieces I'm getting off here too. One of the things I really especially like about this thing is it's pretty heavy. It's portable, but it sits really nice and firm right on this table. It's not like it flips around when it's trying to cut or anything like that. Super easy to operate. Just pull this trigger right here, slide your rebar in there, and you can adjust this thing too. You know, let's say you had some smaller rebar, because the thing puts a little bit of pressure on that, so it kind of goes this way. So really, to make a straight cut on this, to make a nice, let's see how good we can get the cut here. That's where this wrench comes in. So we can just tighten that up and then tighten this up as well. You want to make sure you have this thing at 90 degrees. So you got a little bit more of a straight cut there. So it's just a matter of dialing this in on what kind of cut you want. And actually, what we should do, walk this thing all the way down like that and tighten it up there. There we go. Now that screw won't move. You can rapidly do that. You're going to want to wear eye protection when you're doing this, just in case. When you're done, it fits all right back into the case here.